Hey spice lovers, it's that time of year when the nights are drawing in, so I'm going to make you a spicy beef stew with my new chili hot salt. Start by heating a cast iron casserole dish. Add a good lump of butter and get that nice and melted. Then you can add your onions. I'm using 2 types this time, red and white. Next, add a load of garlic. I've added some black garlic in there as well because I had it, and then let that stew down for about 10 minutes until they're this colour. Take them off, put them into an own bowl, and then you can start on the meat. I'm going to season this with a bit of pepper, then I'm adding flour. Let's add a bit more flour, in fact. And now we can get to massaging it in before we put it back into the same pot we were using to begin with. What you've got to do is you've got to brown this off, get loads of nice colour, and then add 3 bay leaves. Keep stirring until you've got loads of crispy bits. Don't worry if it sticks to the bottom of the pan, that's going to come off later. Next up, add 400 ml of red wine. It's going to be nice and boozy, this one. Add those cooked onions back into the pot before putting about a tablespoon of tomato paste. Next up is our stock. This is delicious beef stock, about 400 ml. Get that stirred in, and then the piece de resistance. I'm going to add about 6 grinds of my new chili salt. It's going to have a little bit of spice in there. Give it a stir and then bring it up to the boil. This will probably take about 5 minutes. Once it's boiling, put the lid on and then get that bad boy into the oven at 150 degrees. You want it there for an hour. Once the hour is up, take it out and add your mushrooms. There's about 250 grams here. We're going to stir that really well, pop the lid back on, and then it's going to go back into the oven at 150 degrees again, and this time for another hour. Then it's going to be done. And look at this, time to dish up. How rich does that look? What I've done is I've served it with some celeriac chips that I made just for fun.